Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mandala Marvels. This is a short video of how I decorated this peacock and this Radha Krishna frame. I'll be using three shades of blue here and a few different shades of blue here. And for this base color is going to be green, and inside this again I'll be using the same blue that I use here. I have prepared the base with the gesso, white color, and it's dried and ready. So let's start. I'm starting with Persian blue color. If you find that there are a lot of strokes visible, just let the color dry for a while after the first coat, and then you can apply the second coat. Also, guys, remember to cover the borders as well when you are doing the inside colors. Next, I'm using cerulean blue color. For the innermost feathers, I'm using teal blue color to get the contrast out. For the tail, I'm randomly using a combination of cerulean and Persian blue color. Do ensure to cover the edges that you have made with the Lippan or any kind of a clay. For the base, I'm using Fevicril's light green color. And get the effect of the feathers towards the end. What I've done is I've taken initially, I applied green color towards the edge, and then I have dried my brush completely, not put it into water, and then just drag the feathers out. So you'll have green color at the same time, you'll get that effect of feathers. Initially, I thought I'll just do the base green, but later I realized that it is important to even cover the small feathers. So it's much easier for me to give a different shade over it as a second layer. And this will ensure that I have covered all the small corners with the same color. So even if the shading does not reach there, it's not empty or it does not look white. I've used a very thin brush so that I can get the strokes effect. And once it's dried, we can start with the next step. For inside the petal colors, I'm using Fevicril's dark green color and golden yellow. I'm just trying to make some effects by merging the two colors. So remember, guys, it's acrylic colors, don't use waters. Just dry your brush completely and then try to merge the two colors. Both of the colors are overpowering. Any of one color more can overpower the other color. I usually prefer using three different brushes for this. So I have one brush for dark green, one for yellow, and one just for merging. Don't apply the colors first towards all the petals and then do the merging. The color dries off very soon. You may not get the effect you're looking for. One more time at a normal speed. There is a very natural yellow tone to the inner petal or the inner feather. That's the inner curve of Lippan art. We want that. You see that that's there in every petal. We want that so that it gives a 3D effect. It gives an effect of a change. There's a depth there because of this. Once all the feathers have been completed, I'm going to let it dry. I'm filling the inside of the feathers with Persian blue. Persian blue because it has a little bit tint of purple color. So that is the one I'm going to use. And like I said before, if you find that your strokes are very visible in this, so you make one coat, let it dry, and then you do a second coat on it. Till the Persian blue color dries, I'm going to quickly finish my peacock. Uh, the beak of the peacock is usually towards a darker tone, like a brownish golden tone. So I'm using this golden color on the peak. And once that is dried, I'm going to give a very little yellowish effect on it. And the same goes for the peacock's crest. This is not a painting, but it's a replica of a peacock. So it's not that I can create the exact same thing. It's just the representation of the colors and all the other uh, colors that a peacock has in its beak and its around its eye that I want to replicate. Peacock body also has those brown or cream color feathers, which I'm replicating here with the help of white. Dealer is that my entire painting does not have brown or cream colors that are very prominent. I have used golden color, that is very different, and I have used skin tone color for Radha Krishna's skin, that is again very different. So I'm sticking to what colors I've already used, and that's why I'm using white to get the effect of feathers. And for the final touch, for the popping effect throughout the feathers, I'm using this golden yellow color and placing some dots. Guys, I think you can also use the dark green color to give the border of the outer side of the petal. I haven't used it here, but if you think that you have that kind of a lighting, I think that's one of the very good things to do. This is just a detailed glimpse of how I did the peacock. If you want to learn how I did the entire Radha Krishna frame, do comment below and let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you have liked my video, and remember to share and subscribe to my channel, Mandala Marvels. See you again soon. Bye.